In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Shape Builder tool to combine and separate shapes to create other custom or unique shapes or illustrations. The Shape Builder tool is newer to Illustrator. I believe it's been around 2 or 3 versions. A lot of people are using it now instead of the Pathfinder tool, which is a lot harder and trickier to use. So to get started, create a new Illustrator document. Mine's 8.5 by 11 inches landscape. And then we're going to start by drawing out some shapes, and then we're going to learn how to combine or separate them. So we're going to need our shape tool. I'm going to hold down on rectangle and pull off my little shape palette right there. I'm going to start with the ellipse tool. Let me give myself a little more room. Start with the ellipse tool. Shift and Option, I want to drag a perfect circle about 1 inch, give or take. We want default colors, which is white fill, black stroke. You can hit D on the keyboard to get to that. I want to make a copy of this. I'm going to shift drag until it touches just the outside and you get that intersect. Option to make a copy. Shift drag down here. Option to make a copy. I'm a little bit off, so let's try that again. We want it lined up right in the middle, right in the center, like that. Next one, hold shift, drag it up, option, and you get kind of 4 circles like that. So right now they are separate circles, right? And click on each one, separate circles. We're going to use the Shape Builder tool to create unique and different kind of shapes out of those 4 circles. First thing we need to do in order to use the Shape Builder tool is to highlight. So I'm making a marquee selection with the black arrow of the 4 ellipses, and over here on the toolbar is Shape Builder tool, or Shift plus M if you want to use the shortcut key. And you'll notice wherever the paths overlap or intersect, when I run over it, I get different effects. If I switch from white for my fill and I pick a different color like green, if I click in these different areas, I start to get different colors. I can fill them in, right? Create smaller shapes on the overlapping shapes. I can also hold Option, and that allows me to minus or subtract shapes. Alright, so let's see, what else can we do? We can try Ellipse tool again. And in this instance, let's see if we can make a snowman body. So we're going to Shift, Option, make a circle. I'm going to hit D key for default coloring. Shift, Option, drag the snowman down a little bit. And Command D to duplicate. Now usually on a snowman when you draw him, he gets a little bit fatter as you go. So second one, I'm going to hold Shift and Option, make his body a little bit fatter, and then again a little bit fatter. I might need to just kind of move them down now that they've gotten bigger. If we highlight them all and we take our Shape Builder tool, if we want to combine all of these, I can just click and drag all the way down. Now I get a body of like a snowman. I'm going to take the Ellipse tool again, get kind of a carrot color. We're going to make a carrot nose. Zoom tool, just zoom in a little bit so we kind of fill the screen more with the snowman. We have our carrot color, and let's start with a little circle, a little ellipse, something like that. I'm going to turn the stroke off, or turn it down maybe 0.25, so it's really small. Take my line tool and I want to click off so the circle's not active. Have my line tool, come to the top anchor, drag out something like that. Command, click off, drag out from the anchor, touch that other tip, Command click, and we want to Command click off. And right now, in order to grab what I need to grab, I need to make the fill of the snowman transparent. So I'm going to click on None. Then I'm going to take my selection tool and highlight the tip of the carrot, Command J to join. I'm going to highlight all the parts of the carrot, use our shape builder tool, drag across, fill it in with orange, and then now we have like a carrot nose. And if we were to continue this on, have a default, do a black fill, we can even do like snowman eyes. Move them up a little bit so it's not on the nose, and you can see using the shape builder tool you can get some really easy, cool, unique shapes. Next tutorial will show how to do some fancier kind of combinations instead of this simple stuff.